Well, of course, Monday it snows out, but whatever. It's been about a day and a half since we bolted her up. Got the 24-inch bar on there now. Been dying to start it and see how it sounds, how she goes. I got the carburetor set with the low screw out at 1.5 turns. The high screw out at 1 turn. Probably have to mess with it, but we'll see how she starts here. First goal. Get the screwdriver and tune it up. It is vibrating too much. I'll just turn it off for a sec. But she's sounding nice, folks. Get the old low screw turned up a little more, I think. Oh, she should start right up again. Again, hard to do with one hand. Not really liking starting right now, is she? Very interesting. Shouldn't have to choke it. She's being bothersome. How she cuts something. You got a little bit of wood kicking around. only she started real nice, we'd be happy, wouldn't we?
Yeah. Done with that.
That's the ticket. Just needed to be warmed up a little. I think she cuts pretty nice. Let's take a look at some of the sawdust. A little bit flaky. Chain could probably use a sharpening, but not bad all in all. I think the mod's a success.